The following video can be used to install all the models listed on the screen. Please note that not all of these models come with faucets. To assemble the UTILATUB, you'll need a hammer or mallet, a Phillips screwdriver, and an adjustable wrench. Begin by removing the contents from the box. Set the laundry tub upside down on a clean, smooth surface. Insert the legs into the corner sockets on the bottom of the tub. With a hammer or mallet, gently tap the legs into the sockets to lock them in place. Note, you can use a block of wood to protect the bottom of the legs. When you've finished installing the legs, place the molded levelers onto the bottom of the tub legs as shown. Now you can turn the tub upright and mount the faucet to the rear ledge and tighten the lock nuts. Connect the supply line and P-trap to complete the assembly. Your new EL Mustee laundry utility tub is now assembled and ready to be hooked up. The Mustee laundry tubs are designed to handle the tough and gentle cleaning jobs not meant for the kitchen sink. We hope this demonstration was helpful.